Welcome to part 2 of our video tutorial introducing the new parametric search on diotech.com. Select the article family from the main menu, then a table with all the products, their properties and parameters will show up. Click on the Show/Hide button to select which parameters you want to see or not. Click on the Show All button to bring back all properties or parameters. You can change the sequence of every single parameter according to your preferences by checking the Change Parameter Sequence box and use drag and drop to reorganize the layout. Click on the Save/Load button to save the state of your table. This includes the view and all filters. Use the Copy to Clipboard button or share the code by email. You can always reset the view or filter to restore the default table. Load your saved state by pasting the code. Export your search results into a CSV or Excel file. Thanks for watching. Visit our website on diotech.com and try it out.